I'm going to show you how to use the LibreText calculator to perform a regression analysis. In this problem, we're given a bunch of ticket prices and the corresponding attendance. And we want to know if there's a significant linear correlation between ticket price and number of attendees. Now, just for fun, I plotted the points here and drew in the line of best fit, and it certainly looks like there's a significant linear correlation, but let's do the math. So what we're testing, I've got H0 and HA written here. HA, the alternative hypothesis, is that rho, which is the population linear correlation coefficient, is negative. And the alternative hypothesis is that there is no correlation at all, rho is equal to 0. And in some of these problems, you'll have rho not equal to 0 versus rho equals 0. But in this specific problem, we're given rho is less than 0. The calculator online will allow us to choose our alternative hypothesis. So we're going to jump over here to our list of calculators, and almost at the bottom is regression analysis. You're going to click on that, and this is what the page looks like. Let me scroll down a bit. We need to enter our x's and our y's separately with commas in between. So you can either do that by hand or you can copy and paste. I'm going to copy and paste. There, I've copied and pasted all my data values in, and now I just have to go through and put commas in between each entry. Okay, that's done. Hit plot points, and you'll get a graph of the points and the line of best fit. You also get some options for a hypothesis test. In this case, we want to see if the correlation coefficient is negative. So I'm going to click on this middle one, and I get the p-value over here. So my regression equation is up here, my correlation coefficient is here, and my p-value is down here. So let's fill in some of those numbers. Our correlation coefficient to 4 decimals is negative 0.9194. So that's a strong negative linear correlation. And the p-value to 4 decimals is 0.0017. Now in this problem, we're testing at a significance level of 0.01. So 0.0017, the p-value is less than the level of significance, which was 0.01. When that happens, if p is low, the null must go. So we're going to reject H0, which says there's no correlation between the two variables. And our conclusion is that there is a significant linear correlation between ticket price and attendance.